はい、皆さん、こんばんは。ウィンスです。今日、お元気ですか? Hello, everyone. Good evening. This is Vince. I hope you're doing fine today. Are you feeling good today? For today, our lesson will be, this will be our final kanji for this day. 今回ご紹介するのはこちらに表示した漢字です。So for today, this time I will be the topic is this kanji indicated here. This lesson will just be less than 12 minutes. I don't want to take much of your time. 早速では皆さん早速始めていきましょう。Very well then, without further ado, let's begin. So, 皆さん everyone, this is the last kanji. This will be just less than 12 minutes, minsan. I'll just borrow less than 12 minutes of your time. So, our topic is the last kanji of our elementary grade 1, set number 3 kanji. And as you can see, we have been discussing so far about this set number 3. This set number 3 mainly is composed of kanji that are related to nature or forms of land or even air. So last time we discussed about air or sky or being empty. This time it's about this, still related to nature. Rice field or rice paddy. Then ta. Well then, this is an easy topic, minasan. Let's begin. So please just take note of the strokes order. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Again, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Okay, let me just show you the stroke order, and please comply with this stroke order. I take emphasis that a learner should be conscientious enough to be aware and learn the strokes order. Memorize it for that matter. Okay, so imi, actually this kanji is rice paddy. Then in Chinese they say it as tian, but in Japanese onyomi is den, kunyomi is ta. Very easy. We don't have any okurigana here. Just simply onyomi, den, kunyomi, ta. And meaning of our subject kanji here, rice field or rice paddy. And this kanji, our subject kanji today, is also radical. This is also radical. So I will just give you a glimpse, minasan. I will give you a glimpse of this kanji performing as a or functioning as a radical in some of selected elementary level kanji characters, just to show you, minasan. Okay, let me just shift to that part. This is for greater appreciation, minasan. So in grade 1 elementary kanji, so you can see here, this is where we are right now. Then ta, the one in green background is the onyomi, the one in blue is the kunyomi, and the gray font is the English translation. So you can see the den kanji can also act as a radical or component. Okay, so you may screenshot this, minasan, so that you will have a glimpse of other kanji to be discussed in the future. Okay, so these are just synopsis, or should I say synopsis, or very short summaries of kanji readings and quick look on meanings. Okay, so you may screenshot this. In the interest of time, you can do some screenshots. Okay, so the purpose of this is just for appreciation, to show you that our subject kanji is also radical, and you can see that it is indicated in red ink or red font. Okay, so for grade 4, focus on the red part or red font, red ink. Okay, even in fishing or ryo, ryo or fishing. Even in stomach, e. Okay, so that's it. We go back now to our main reference. In the interest of time, I don't want to take much of your time. So it's easy, the reading is just this, and we only have a few vocabulary. And minasan, this kanji here is very important in jinmeiyo, or usage of kanji in proper nouns, or usage of kanji in names and places. Just like Yamada, the da in the Yamada is this kanji, Yamada. So please, let's just go quickly on some vocabulary. And by the way, minasan, although we don't have okurigana, we have a difficult or high level vocabulary here, or high level but very common in Japan. Inaka. Where do you live? At Inaka. When you say Inaka, it's a countryside or rural area in Japan. Inaka. Why is it irregular reading? Because irregular reading, the reading doesn't take its base from the traditional onyomi or kunyomi. So inaka, this is den or ta, and the second kanji is sha. So it could be den sha, but no, it has a strange reading, inaka. So that's why it's called irregular reading, countryside rural area. Okay, so we just go to, these are expert opinions regarding the evolution of the kanji from the Shang dynasty all the way up to Han dynasty. So some vocabularies here: Sweden, paddy field. Sweden, paddy field.
Sweden.
Okay, how about this? Denchi, farmland. Denchi. How about this? Yuden, oil field. Yuden. Or rather, Yuden. Ta, the kunyomi ta means rice field. Taue means rice planting. Taue is rice planting, and it's a noun. Okay, for other vocabularies, I mentioned the irregular reading. Inaka means countryside with the connotation of rural area. Okay, how about this? Tanbo is paddy field or farm. Sweden, paddy field. How about this? Den is the country or countryside, rural districts, or the nearest meaning here for this combination of kanji compounding is cultivated land or fields. That's denen. Because this kanji here usually has a connotation, the second kanji has a nuance of garden. Okay, so it's garden or en or garden or sono or zono. Okay, let's tackle some sentences here, perhaps 3 sentences only. Tanbo michi, a path passing between rice paddies. Okay, so some sentences here. Okay, take your time, Yoshida.
Yukkuri yareyo.
Or my friend departed from Narita for Paris. Narita.
友人は成田を立ってパリに向かった。
Again, as I have said earlier, this kanji here is very much used in proper nouns or jinmeiyo. Okay. Say, you're introducing Mr. Yasuda. こちらが安田さんです。
こちらが安田さんです。
Okay. So you may screenshot other sentences, minasan. Anyway, there are furigana and the English translation is indicated below. So for names, the most common is Tanaka. This one is Tanaka. And then Yoshida. And even Yamada. This is Yamada. Okay. Or Maeda. Maeda, this Ikeda. These are very common surnames in Japan. Yamada, Ikeda, Maeda, Yoshida, Tanaka. Okay, so for other names, please just screenshot those. Okay, and we reached the last part. ということで終了なんです。今日はここまでです。So this is the last part 皆さん。And I thank you for watching until the end. 最後まで見てもらえてありがとうございました。ご視聴くださりありがとうございました。皆さん本当にありがとう。And please help me grow this channel. もしよろしければチャンネル登録よろしくお願いします。And I'll see you in the next video 皆さん。ではまた次の動画で。では皆さん Thank you very much 皆さん Thank you very much everyone. Bye bye. Bye.